The rules for multiplying and dividing integers are essentially the same. You multiply or divide absolute values. Two negative numbers multiplied or divided together will result in a positive product. When multiplying or dividing a negative number times a positive number, the result is negative. Let's look at these examples. Negative 2 times negative 6 will equal positive 12. Positive 2 times negative 10 will equal to negative 20. If we take negative 6 and we raise it to the third power, this is the same as negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 6 will give us positive 36, and positive 36 times negative 6 will give us negative 216. 24 divided by negative 4 will give us negative 6. Negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. Here we have negative 5 times negative 6 divided by negative 3. Multiply the numerator first. Negative 5 times negative 6 will give us positive 30. Positive 30 then divided by negative 3 is negative 10. Try some practice problems before continuing on.